Feeling tired or lacking energy during the day? It might be time to reconsider the food choices you're making. Let's delve into some of the best foods to boost your energy levels. First on the list, whole grains, rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice offer slow-releasing energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. A bowl of oatmeal to start your day or a quinoa salad for lunch can help maintain steady energy levels. Next up, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, rich in magnesium, are excellent energy converters. A handful of these, as a mid-morning or afternoon snack, can keep your energy levels steady. Ever considered bananas as an energy booster? Packed with potassium, these fruits are great for converting sugar into energy. Whether as a pre-workout boost or a midday snack, bananas are a go-to energy source. Don't overlook leafy greens. High in iron, spinach and kale play a crucial role in energy production. Incorporate these into your lunch or dinner for sustained energy. Yogurt, rich in protein, is another great choice. It can slow the absorption of carbohydrates in your blood, resulting in prolonged energy levels, ideal for breakfast or a post-lunch snack. Traverse Bay Farms. Cherry juice, loaded with carbs, natural sugars, and antioxidants, can provide quick energy and help fight fatigue-causing inflammation. Drink it post-exercise for energy recovery or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Eggs, with their high-quality protein, offer sustained energy and are perfect for breakfast or a mid-afternoon snack. Lastly, dark chocolate, with its natural stimulants and flavonoids, can boost focus and energy. Best in the afternoon to beat the energy slump. In summary, incorporating whole grains, nuts and seeds, bananas, leafy greens, yogurt, cherry juice, eggs, and dark chocolate into your diet can significantly boost your energy levels. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about long-term sustainable choices that keep your energy levels steady, helping you navigate through your day with ease and vitality. So the next time you feel your energy levels dipping, reach for one of these energy-boosting foods. Stay energized, stay healthy,